I made the video titled Everyday Urdu Phrases 13 about 4 years ago. Recently, Neda pointed out that I made a slip in explaining a sentence. So, thank you, Neda, for pointing me out. Now, the correct explanation of the sentence is as follows. मैं एक सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ. मैं एक सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ. Means I have a question to ask. मैं एक सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ. And मैं एक सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ means I have a question I want to ask you. मैं एक सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ और मैं एक सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ. I have a question I want to ask you. मैं एक सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ. This sentence will be spoken by a man. And मैं एक सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ. This sentence will be spoken by a lady. मैं एक सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ और मैं एक सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ. A man will ask, मैं एक सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ, and a lady will ask, मैं एक सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ. Meaning, I have a question I want to ask you. And the literal meaning of this sentence is, I want to ask a question. And we can also say, मेरा एक सवाल है. मेरा एक सवाल है means literal meaning of this sentence is I have a question. मेरा एक सवाल है. I have a question. But मेरा एक सवाल है. This question may be asked by a lady or a man. Both. Both can say मेरा एक सवाल है. But मैं एक सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ will say man, and a lady will say मैं एक सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ, meaning I have a question I want to ask.